Who's that?
Baby cat.
Are you the big brother?
Yeah.
What's he doing? What's he doing? Is he sleeping?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Baby cat.
Are you glad he's home?
Yeah. No.
Are you glad he came home out of Mommy's tummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gonna be a big helper now?
Yeah.
You're doing a good job. You're gentle. You look so big compared to him. Are you a big boy now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you give him a kiss?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good kiss.